Hi there. So we are in need of more appointment setters for our agents in the field, and that's the reason why I wanted to invite you to consider this opportunity. So this is to explain to you what are the steps of the system that we follow. It's very, very simple. So number one would be you setting up the appointment for our top producers in the field. Number two, the agent presents, closes, and submits the applications to the carrier. These are some of the carriers that we work with, and of course the end of the process would be you getting paid, depending on you having a license or not as an agent. So we will determine your compensation that way. So what are you going to need to be successful? You will basically need a marketing list that we will provide, a phone or a cell phone, just a simple computer or a laptop, basically for emails, for you to be able to read Excel files, PowerPoints as well, the internet, and of course a positive attitude. So how do we set up appointments? This example is using marketing list. So we will teach you how to go through a conversation, what people normally say, how to answer questions, and basically just prepare the prospect to meet with the agent the next day. So after the call, the responsibilities that you would have would be basically to type notes for every family that you're talking to. Just write down their questions and make some notes of what they talk to you about. So just to give a reference to the agent once they are face-to-face with the client. You would send an email with details of the conversation to the agent. Same thing, just to create a connection and just help the agent, once they are face-to-face with the client as well. So you would also follow up with people that were not home or asked to be contacted later. Sometimes you're not going to be able to find people the first time that you contact them, so you will need to call back same day or next week. So it's important to make good notes to be able to follow up. And the last thing would be sending an Excel file with the activity to the office, just basically showing what you've done during the week and giving each other's feedback and just basically learning how to get better. Okay, this is very important. If you're wondering how can I make more money, once you master the appointment setting part of the process, you can definitely learn while you make money. You will have the opportunity to have access to free training so you can become an agent or a manager if that's what you want. So you can definitely make a minimum of 100,000 a year if that's what you want, if that's your ambition or your goal. So that's actually happening in other parts of the country, here in Texas as well. So we have agents that are making that and much more. So, and we hope that you can become one top producer as well. So the next step would be just to set up a time where we can have a phone conversation, just to get to know each other a little bit more and chat about your goals, and so we can decide if you are a good fit to our organization, if we are a good fit to what you're looking for as well. So yeah, just give me a call or text me. This is my email. You can email me as well. This is my text. Just send me a text and we will set up a time to talk later today or tomorrow. So I hope you have a really happy day, and we'll talk.